Alright, what's up guys? So yeah, I haven't posted in a while because my phone stopped working. Now anyways, today I'm going to show you how to get the secret cage and chicken gun. Oh, whoops. Alright, so first you want to do is find this sheriff building next to the bank. Here's a picture, I guess. You can see a prison. Now before I'm gonna stick into actually get it, you can see it says something, and then yeah, you get in it, you get trapped, but then you wait a few seconds and you get it. And you can see there's a little secret text there saying Melvin was here. Oh wait, hold on. Hey, right there, go. Yeah, Melvin is the guy in that picture, and you got stuck in here, and you can't destroy it. The only way you can get out here is by dying. And now you officially have it. Good job. Good job. Now you've officially got it. This is the end.